Good morning, YouTube. Alright, so today we're going to go attempt to drop the front axle on this blue 99 Chevy so we get the oil pan off. Here we go. Well, the battery was hooked up and I didn't think it would start, so I didn't record that part, but cranked just a little bit slow and it fired right up. Oh, got a flat tire. I backed up a little bit. I thought the rim was on the ground, but got enough air you could, drive it half a mile to get there. So, because there's no electricity up here at the farm. Tires are okay. Obviously, that's not the greatest. Well, I need to get some air in that tire, and then I plan on working on it up here at the farm in the shop or on a concrete surface, because I gotta drop that front axle or lift the engine. Door hinge needs the bushings replaced. The instrument cluster is intermittent, so it quits working and then it at least reads it's out of gas. So I don't think anything works when that happens. Get down. Door lock falls off. You gonna run with me? Get him. Trying to figure out if I should just park at the shop and take the tire and get air, or whole purpose of this day is to get the oil pan off and see if that O-ring on the pickup tube needs replaced. Yeah, you get the check engine oil pressure and the gauge is low, and then you give it a little bit of gas and it brings the oil pressure up. Also, that passenger window doesn't go up and down. I can hear a noise over there, so when you push that button, you don't even hear it click or anything. So I'm suspecting that motor or the window regulator. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of lazy, so I think we're going to drive it to get air. All gooder. Well, now it's got a brake leak because the pedal goes to the floor. Ah! I think I found it. That's brake fluid. Alright, let's see if we can fix this. Cool. There, partly fixed. Wow, that's just all rotten. You can tell it's junk by the way it is. This takes several minutes to repair. I plugged off the wrong side line and then got the right one fixed, but it took several attempts to roll it over and then squeeze it tight enough with vice grips to get it to quit leaking. Got it. Tow us out. No help steering, so this will be fun. No wonder it pulled hard. Your tire's locked up. So I watched one video, and to get the oil pan out, they dropped the front axle, just unbolted and dropped it down a little bit to get clearance. I'm obviously going to look into that, but if I can squeeze that oil pan out another way that's easier, that's what I'm going to do. And obviously, first look, we're going to have to get the skid plate, this cover off, and go from there. Damp in here, so go start a fire, just like my grandpa used to. Got some used motor oil in there. It's not explosive like gasoline. This stove's seen better days. It's probably as old as I am, so can't complain too much. Alright, so I got those covers off and I'll show you what we're looking at. So front cover off, obviously skid plate off, but this piece here, got 2 nuts over there, 2 bolts here, and that'll drop down. And this axle, 2 nuts hold it there, it can drop down, and in here you can see a nut on this back side, and I can feel a bolt when I go up in here. I was wrong. There's not just one bolt that holds it in there. There's another one up here. So you got to get that one out too, and then you can drop it down, and it looks like it'd be enough room. But you also have to turn your wheels so that the pitman arm will clear the mount for the front diff. So you just got to crank your wheels out a little bit. It started to rain. Yeah. Thank God I pulled this in here. That would have sucked out there. I mean, if I would have been out there, I would have wound up at the bar. And maybe divorced. Apparently it's leaking there. I guess that's future Mike's problem, because definitely not fixing this today. I went to drain the oil, and that's not a good color. There's what came out of it.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours.
So there goes the plan to get this truck ready for chase. So now I gotta come up with a plan B, I guess. But yeah, now this will go on the back burner. I gotta put the axle back in it. Probably gonna throw some oil in it so I can at least move it around and utilize the shop for something else. But that's not good. So and that's it for now. So thanks for watching. See you next time.